Look what we've got.
After almost a month.
More than a month.
No, today's the 11th.
Yeah.
Almost a month. We got the autopilot from Holland. In here. Shouldn't take that long.
It's supposed to be here on the 16th of January.
Yeah, we didn't expect that. We expect, okay, maybe at the end of that week. But, no. Finally, we got it.
It's still windy, stormy weather.
That's just the dumbest thing I can believe.
It's blowing hard. That still is still loose over there. Goes up to 42. Michael's gonna take a look how it is outside. Checking the lines.
Here we go, we're in the marina in La Linea. Really windy today. It's high sustained in the high 20s, gusted into the 40s. This guy's sail is loose again. Let's take a look around. It's not so bad because we're in the marina. It's fairly protected. But sometimes we get gusts that go so hard the boat is really leaning pretty hard to one side. So we'll take a look around. Thought I'd show everybody what's going on around here. Woo! You can hear it. Going like hell. Yeah, it's a rocking and a rolling here in the marina. There's our girl. Yeah, we just put the other solar panels up too, so she got a little bit more windage, but she's doing okay. Okay, I got a lot of extra lines on her. It's supposed to be blowing like this all week, so it's gonna be a rough one for a while.
It's day 5 of the Levante. It's still blowing 20 knots, sometimes going up to 30. It's dark in the sky. And it just keeps blowing. And the sun is shining. Yeah. It's already day 8 of the Levante. It just keeps blowing and blowing. It's not getting under 24. It's the 8th day. It's supposed to be another day tomorrow. And hopefully we will get some calmer weather. We'll have some more sand in the air. It's getting dirty. Some rain. Just nasty, cold, windy weather. Look on the cloud.
Yeah.
The cloud on the rock.
On the rock, on the cloud.
Saving space in the cemetery. Can you walk through here? On the end? They just stack everybody on each other.
They go six high. But I don't know if it's for a coffin, casket, or if they're putting urns in them. Because if you look at it from the side, it looks like you could get the length of a casket inside.
I think so. It's like a big town with streets. Oh, here's more.
Yeah, looks like this is new. Unbound.
Take a look in the hole. I think they can put a...
Yeah, you can get one in there. Or I guess if you cremate, you can get the whole thing in there. Put urns in there. See, you got multiple names. I don't see you getting two in there.
They're also nice big cribs.
Yeah.
The end of the book. That little tower. We've got a wall of food in Holland. What's this? In the bus. The water is pretty quiet today. First time in the bus.
First time in the bus.
For €1.
Can't beat it.
Do some sightseeing for €1. Oh,
That was it.
that was the beach. It's a pity.
The old course computer. It works, not 100%, but it does hold the course. And we got another one, type 100.
Finally, after 30 days waiting for the mail, PostNL.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll put it in here to test it. And then I got to think of a way how I can install them both so that I can easily switch from one to the other should the one break.
So to do this, we have to get everything from the back, install it here.
Drive type. Train. Rotterdam.
So drama autopilot
I'm an autopilot.
continues.
Yeah, continue.
So we had a message from Nico, the ex-owner.
Yeah. And he was telling us that the autopilot we have, the Type 100, isn't really a Type 100. It was one that was modified to be a Type 300 because the Type 100 wasn't strong enough to steer such a heavy boat. So, gives us something more to think about what we're going to do.
So what are our options?
What are our options? Well, we've got lots of options. We've got option one, do nothing. Just go with what we got and see where it works. Got option number two we talked about. take both of the autopilots that we have, go to Motril, where we know the electronics guys, have them repair the one that's been modified to a Type 300, and then modify the one we just bought into a Type 300. Option 3. Do option 2 in any case, and
It's still option 2.
and install a new EV400 Raymarine autopilot system.
Completely new one.
Completely new one. It's expensive joke. About 3,200 euros. Or, is that option 3? Option 4. Sell the fucking boat and do something else.
It's a completely other option.
Yeah, it's still an option. It's always an option.
Back to our girl.
Back home. Our girl. Tell me where did you sleep last night?